how to apply to Grab Express Car. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply Grab Express Car. First of all, open up the Grab app. Once you get into the app, click on the Express icon from the top. After opening its page, tap on your location and then choose the delivery location from here. Now pick up the date and time of delivery. Then choose the option of car through which you want to deliver your item. Right after that, tap to add the item details in here. Select the item and its kg, then tap to confirm. Now add the recipient's details, their address, contact number, name, and a note to the driver. Then tap to confirm your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.